In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify a DocuSign signature using our comprehensive 2025 guide. This is an essential skill if you're managing agreements and documents that need validation and reliability. DocuSign is a widely used electronic signature platform, and being able to confirm the authenticity of signatures is crucial for your peace of mind, whether you're in business, finance, or any other field that involves important contractual agreements. To begin, let's head over to the DocuSign website. Make sure that you have your login information ready. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to the homepage. Familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to DocuSign. It's fairly intuitive, but understanding where things are will save you time in the long run. Next, navigate to the Agreements section. You can find this easily on the home interface. Clicking on Agreements will take you to a comprehensive list of all the documents you've been working with or have received. This is where the central hub of your signed agreements lives. Take a moment to appreciate the organization here. It's designed to help you find what you're looking for quickly. Now look for the specific document you wish to verify. Simply scroll through your list of documents, or use the search function if you have a lot of items on this page. It's always a good idea to keep your files well organized, so consider naming conventions that make sense to you and your organization. Once you've located the correct file, click on it to open up more details about the document. At this point, you should be able to see a detailed summary of the document's status. Look closely at the Signatures section. If you're verifying a signature, look specifically for a check mark. This is the key indicator that signatures on this document are complete and verified. DocuSign's system is thorough when it comes to ensuring the authenticity and integrity of its processes, so you can trust that a checkmark here signifies a verified document. If you do not see this checkmark, there might be outstanding actions required either from you or the recipient. That's it! You've successfully verified a DocuSign signature. Remember, verifying signatures is a vital part of managing electronic agreements and ensures that all parties are held to the commitments they have signed up for. Always keep your documents organized and double check that your agreements are complete before considering them final. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has helped simplify the process for you. Be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and guides just like this one.